February to around 8 o'clock. So I'm here to connect the second submer. Before I do that, I'm gonna check the sun is sunny today. Before I do that, I'm gonna check the voltage 319. RPM is at 3000, maximum 4000. Current is at 5, wattage at 1600. So I'm just gonna turn it off. You do that to protect the motor, because what tends to happen is the water will slam down to the motor, and you want to protect the motor from over torquing. That's what happened in Bilya. The power was turned off, and the water, the weight or the mass of the water slammed down into the motor, breaking the motor. So it's all wired up. The only thing I don't remember was this. Actually, I should check the internet. And using these to connect. Later on, I'll change these. And Arvin is going to turn on the main fuse panel over there. So with the default at on, so I have over there, it's on, and this one is on, and the voltage is at 300 volts. So the panel was incorrectly set up. Now with the 99 banks, it's actually at 388, and it's going up to 4000 watts RPM, but it's 3600. It's at full 3000 watts. That's the maximum. So with the two Submer running, the voltage here is around 360 volts, and the RPM is at 3600. It's almost up to 4000. 4000 is the maximum, and the amps is 7, and the wattage is at 2500. So maximum 3000. Actually, it's over. The maximum for this is 2200. It's over. It's actually 3000. So it's overrated. So the outflow here is quite a bit. Voltage is at 360, and then I'm going to go back there and check the voltage. With the other Submer working, the voltage here at 350. So RPM at 3500, 8 amps, and it's getting up to 3000 watts. So we're going to measure the outflow of this 3-inch pipe. So that's it. Just read off the length. It's 17.5. Oh, we'll just call it 18 even. So 18 minus 1, that's 17 here in the X direction. The Y is 13. We're also going to measure the outflow of this submersible. Before we do that, we need to take a look at the information here. So wattage is at 2500, volts at 385 volts, RPM is at 3600. Well, just call it 3700 RPM. And amps at 6.5 amps. So we're gonna measure the outflow. So the outflow is around. We have to take a look at the other side, so let me just mark that out. So the marking is at 31, so 31 minus 1 is 30, so the x direction is 30. So that's the outflow. So we're gonna take a look at the outflow of this submersible. So this is Submer number 1. So voltage is at 380, RPM is at 3000, amps is at 5.3, watts at 2000 watts. So we'll take a look at the outflow. It looks like a 38. Kind of hard to control this. 38 inches from the plumb line. So 38 inches from the plumb line. 38 minus 1 will give you the flow rate. So that's pretty much it. 18 panels powering up to submersible, and those have the outflow for each one of the submersibles. The next several days we'll install the last one here. So there'll be 3 Submer being powered by 18 panels. Thanks for watching.